There's no fucking way. I found a Tahoe Limited. Bro, I found a Tahoe Limited, bro. Inside clapped. Gone. Oh, they got speakers. Bro, this is a Tahoe Limited. Bro, where's the fog light switch? It gotta be in this bitch somewhere. Bro, look at the... Ooh. Look at this. Look at these. Look at those. Can't use the rear ones because the rear one's split. Oh my god. Shoot my mama down. Wow, these are the ones. These are the joints. Holy shit, I can't believe I found it. Damn. Oh damn. Oh, free power steering fluid. Oh, look at that. Herculiner, truck bed liner. That's a nice little hitch right there. Dude, I'm gonna rip these fucking fog lights out, dude. Hell yeah. Dude, this is so freaking rare to find one. Oh, to find one like this with the color match and the fog. I mean, if this bumper wasn't fucked up, I mean, I'd like the bumper. All right, I'm gonna rip this joint off. I'm gonna take these lights. All right, so let's see, brother. God dang. So we got left one. We got the right one. Looks like it plugs into the headlight too, so I guess it turns off the fog if you have the high beam on. We got a ground. The harness keeps going up over here to another connector. Okay. Yeah, it goes to that one. Bro, you have no idea, because these parts here, these fog lights that I've been looking up now that I'm doing more research, this part itself is discontinued from GM. You can't get these. So unless you find them from a reseller that's gonna want like $100 or whatever for the pair. Dude. And I got the fucking harness. This is like, I'm probably the only person in the world that's excited about this. But this is a find. Both bulbs will work. You got your adjustment screws up on the top. I just need to get the bulbs and make my own harness and relay, and then we're lit. Literally they were going to light. Just out here getting parts for the Bourbon and the two-door. So the Bourbon has a bullshit ass eBay cold air with a fat donkey on it. So I'm gonna be an old man and found me a regular one for a 5.3, but I think it'll fit the 6-liter. But look at this shit. Look at this shit. I was like, oh, is that a 6-liter? No, that is not a 6-liter. Oh, this is the 8.1. This is a giant mother. This is a big bitch, bro. This is the 8.1. This is the 4. I think it's a 490. No, it's not a 496. Is it? What's 8.1? This is what was also available in the Bourbon for the 2500, the 6-liter or the 8.1. Someone just ripped that out and fucking tossed it here. Big ass crossover. Shit, what is it? What is the 8.1? I think it is 496. That's a big motherfucker. Bro, inflation is a mother right now. So, fogs, harness, they categorized it as cold air intake assembly with filter. $85 for all this. I paid $4 for a Monster today. Whatever. So I'm gonna sell the intake that's on the car for whatever, 80-100 bucks. They can come take it. But dude, oh my god, I think I'm gonna try and polish these because I don't know. Y'all don't even know if I can get these, but they're here and they're assembled. That's the main thing. So on to getting more parts. So oh shit, hit myself. We got the foam strips to lay here. I'm gonna clean these up. I'm gonna see if I can get some that polished stuff and clean these things up. I'm not gonna install them right now because I gotta verify what bulbs I have. So I'm gonna get my old fog lights from the Bourbon and see if they fit. I believe that it's a 881. I think it's a Phillips 881. And then at the same time, I need to verify that they're gonna fit in this harness. And I think that should be a 881 connector. Should be. Maybe. Look, we gotta get that done. I got some downtime since I have a little bit more time after work. But that's that. And oh, what the hell was that? Was that freaking cheese? For anyone that was wondering, the stock airbox from a 5.3 will work on a 6.0. I don't know who in their life is ever going to need that information. Probably nobody, but I ended up, oh, you saw that? That was a little weird. The reason why I got rid of that big freaking, you know, the cheap intake that was on it was because the way my suspension is set up. These used to come auto ride. The quadra steers came with auto ride, but it got aftermarket shocks on it. So with these, it rides a lot. It's pretty stiff. I mean, it's smooth, but it's stiff. So when you're riding around, this the gas pedal is very responsive. So you could be riding around and then you'll see your tach going over bumps. You're just cruising and then your tach just, see, I'm even modulating my foot and it's kind of steady. Before, you'd go over a bump and then the whole freaking Suburban would go because it was just fucking responsive to your foot because your foot is just bouncing everywhere. But I have another video of me finishing the fog light harness. I'm not gonna spend $100 for a damn fog light switch just because it came out of a rare Tahoe. It is a $15 part from GM that I don't feel like spending $100 from everyone that has one. So I'm gonna just get a little toggle switch or a little red button and make my own for like $9, and then I'll wire in everything. So that'll be the next video. But super rare find at the junkyard, and more stuff, more to come. I just got a word from my buddy that I'm gonna get my hand on that aluminum 6-liter and LS2 heads here pretty soon. So I'm gonna do my overnight trip to Atlanta very quickly. I just gotta make it happen. Damn, inflation was $11. Whatever, but we got it. So I'm gonna restore them, put them on, fix the harness, and then put on Tahoe.